मुझसे मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब ना मांग। मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब ना मांग। मैं सोचता था कि तू है तो तर्क शाह है हयात। तेरा गम है तो गम दहर का झगड़ा क्या है। तेरी सूरत से है आलम इस बहारों को सवात। तेरी आंखों के सिवा इस दुनिया में रखा क्या है। तू मिल जाए तो तकदीर इन यूं हो जाए। यूं ना था पर मैंने फ़कत चाहा कि यूं हो जाए। और भी गम है दुनिया में मोहब्बत के सिवा। राहतें और भी हैं वस्ल के राहत के सिवा। मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब ना मांग। There is a poem by a Pakistani poet called Faiz Ahmed Faiz. He was arrested for being a communist, and he was arrested for writing poems against a government which has been a dictatorship and which has been oppressing the people of the country. Why this poem is so close to me and why I love this poem is it's something which is very close to my heart, and it's something that I recite to myself every time I keep wondering about how is reality, what is reality, and how do experiences shape how we perceive reality. And this poem, in the first stanza, the poet talks about how beautiful someone is. That object is unclear. That object is just open to interpretation. You can interpret the subject of the poem or the object like you want. You can think of it as your own country, whom you loved so dearly, and the country which is so beautiful. Or it might be your lover, it might be someone else, it might be absolutely anyone. मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मांग. Do not ask from me, O beloved, a love like before. मैं सोचता था कि तू है तो दरख्शां है हयात. Just the beauty. I used to think that it is because of you the world is beautiful. तू है, तू है तो झगड़ा क्या है. Sorry I forgot. मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मांग. मैं सोचता था कि तू है तो दरख्शां है हयात. तेरा गम है तो गमे दहर का झगड़ा क्या है. If I have to deal with your pain, I can forget the pain that exists in the world. तू है तो दरख्शां है हयात. It's for you that the world is beautiful. तेरा गम है तो गमे दहर का झगड़ा क्या है. तेरी सूरत से है आलम बहारों को सबात. तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. There is nothing in the world which is more beautiful than your eyes, and it is for you that spring comes again and again. It's to see you that spring comes again. तू मिल जाए तो तकदीर निगू हो जाए. If I win you over, I'll have the world beneath my feet. तू है, तू मिल जाए तो तकदीर निगू हो जाए. यूं ना था पर मैंने फ़कत चाहा कि यूं हो जाए. It's not the reality, it's far from the truth, but I sure do wish, sure do dream that you were mine. और भी गम है मोहब्बत के सिवा, और भी गम है दुनिया में मोहब्बत के सिवा. राहतें और भी हैं वस्ल के राहत के सिवा. You know, there's more in the world to love. There's more in the world than love. There is more in the world than lust. So the first paragraph that Fish says, you know, it shows beauty of the world. It's all positives, and it's just, you know, how he remembers his Dilruba or his lover to be. You know, you can think about it. You can put it in any context. You can use it as your country. You can use it as anything. तो है तो दरख्शां है यार. Then, in the next paragraph, he just shifts to a more negative tone, to a more deaf tone. Talks about death. Talks about dead bodies being pulled out from hell and being sold in the markets as commodities. मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब ना मांग. अनगिनत सदियों के तारीख बाहिमाना तिलिस्म रेशम अतलास व कम ख्वाब में बुनवाए हुए. Evil has been lurking around in the shadows of this world For thousands and thousands of years, they had been woven in silk, in cellulose. I forgot what the other one means. रेशम व अतलास व कम ख्वाब में बुनवाए हुए जा बजा बिकती हुई कूचा बाजार में जिस्म खून में नहले हुए खाक में लुथरे हुए. There are bodies being sold in the market like commodities which are covered in dust, sheathed in blood. जिस्म निकलती हुई जिस्म निकाले हुए अमरों के तनूरों से. Bodies are being pulled out of the depths of hell. पीप बहती हुई गलते हुए नसूरों से. Pus coming out from their veins which are rotting. लौट जाती है नजर उधर मगर क्या कीजिए अब भी दिल कष्ट है तेरा हुस्न मगर क्या कीजिए. My innocence is lost. I lost my innocence. I can see the dark, the death, the destruction in the world, what greed comes with, what greed provides. But I still love you. I still love you like I did before. I can see everything around me, but I still love you. For you, तू मिल जाए तो तकदीर निगो हो जाए. It's still true, I still love you, but my innocence is lost. I have seen more in the world, and I cannot unsee them. I still love you, but I can't unsee them. The world is not perfect, my love. The world is not perfect with you. The world is not perfect without